If you want to make cubic meter symbol in Word like this, then keep watching this video. I will show you how to superscript this number 3 to write meter cube. Let's get started. In the first method, go up to the insert option, click on equation, and you will see here the option of script. Select the first option, superscript. In the first box, enter the M, and in the next box enter number 3. Now there is one more easy method. Type meter cube, select the number 3, and you will see here option x raised to 2, which is also called superscript. Click on this option to superscript the number in writing meter cube symbol. If you make grammar mistakes frequently, watch this video. It will show you the software that you can use to fix it. See you again in that video.